This is the final result. So we have two beautiful sliding doors. So after you open the first box, you'll see the main piece of the wardrobe, and that's this piece you're seeing. This is the sides and the back of the wardrobe, and you need only to unfold the piece. After you unfold the piece, you have almost 50% of the wardrobe done. Then you have these two pieces for the front, and they're different from the back, so you have to be careful about it. Just install the four, two in front and two in the rear back, and they're very easy to install, so just like you're seeing here. And after that you have these two pieces, these two black pieces, and they will be used to receive the bottom part. So then you have this brown piece and this white piece. They're very easy to install, just slide them down and that's it. Then you have to install these two supports, the last ones for the bottom part, and then you have as well two supports for the top part. These two white supports that will receive the ceiling part of the wardrobe. Then to install it is very easy, just go from the bottom to the top until you stop at the two holes in the sides. To finish this part, you only have to secure the ceiling with these two screws. Then elevate the wardrobe with these screws and put it about 3 millimeters from the floor. After that, just install the bottom part and that's it. And finish with these two supports, white supports in the ceiling as well. Install these black pieces in the top parts, in the sides, if you want to screw the wardrobe to the wall, and then close it up. Adjust the column as you wish and add as many as you want. To connect the columns, use these screws and make a hole or multiple holes in between them and connect them with these screws. To start assembling the drawers, just open the box like I'm doing here and organize all the pieces like I'm doing as well. Then use this first piece and put some connections, wood connections, and after these special screws, and then install the back like so, and make sure you have a 90-degree angle. That's crucial to install the next piece. The next piece is actually the sides, and what you have to do is use that hole that I'm indicating and align it with the back side. And the two holes in the bottom part, and install it like so. After installing both sides, use this white piece, put two on each side, and then screw them in until the arrow points up. After, just use the last piece like I'm doing here and connect it with these white screws. They're plastic and very easy to put in. Then screw the hardware to the sides of the wardrobe, leaving 7 holes below. Then install the drawers in place, fit the back side, and then use these two pieces, the metal piece, and after that just insert the plastic white one like so. And that's it. Congratulations, you just finished the first drawers. Then you have to install the accessories drawer, and it's very straightforward, just like you've done before. And the last step is using this plastic white connection. Then use these screws and holders for the shelves. I have 4 shelves, 2 on each side. To finish the inside, you just have to install the clothes hanger, and it's very easy. Just put the holders and then the stick in between, and that's it. Now it's time to install the sliding doors, and for that we have some hardware that we have to install. We have these bottom hardware to install with some screws in the sides and on the top, like 4 or 6 screws. And then you have to install the ceiling part. They're very distinct from each other, so you'll get it very quickly, and just screw them in place from the sides and from the bottom and the top. And then you just have to connect the doors. In my case, I have 1 meter door, and for that we have some wood connections with some metal connections put all together like you're seeing in this video. Just screw them in place, connect both doors, and you're just made your first door with 1 meter. each side has 50 centimeters and both together makes one door with 1 meter. So you have to do these twice, and after that you have 2 doors. Then install the hardware. The hardware, you have 2 distinct hardware, one longer and one shorter, and the shorter is for the inside door, and then you have the longer hardware for the outside. The doors are a little bit tricky to install, but take your time and you'll get there very easily, and the final result is like you're seeing here. You have 2 doors, one overstepping the other, and the top will look like this. So yeah, then you have the gappers to put in, and for the first gappers you have to glue these rubber band together with the gapper, and then install them on the sides, one on each side, one on the left and another on the right side. And the outer door has another gapper that needs to be installed in the outer door, and then install this topper. It's a cover for the outer door as well. To finish with some details, you just need to add this last touch, and will be amazing, the final result. So here we have it, the assembling of the sliding doors and the PAX all together. This is a wardrobe with 2 meters wide, with 2 meters and 30 something high, and this is the final result. So we have 2 beautiful sliding doors. As you can see, they work perfectly. And yeah, so if you found this video useful in any way, let me know in the comments below. Leave your like in the video, share it with your friends, colleagues, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.